Hi, my magical unicorn brownies. Today, me and my mom are doing face masks. Here's what we used. Raw activated charcoal, Aztec healing clay, a bowl, and a spoon. We start with 1 spoon of activated charcoal. The stuff was so messy, we put it away as soon as we were done with it. Next, 2 spoons of the Aztec healing clay, some distilled water, and mix. Once it's smooth, I put a warm washcloth on my face to open up my pores.
That's how you should feel every day of your life.
That felt good. Time to put it on my face. It feels so cold.
Usually my mom adds apple cider vinegar or a couple of drops of tea tree oil to the mask. Since this is my first time using this mask, my mom wanted to protect my skin, so we only used water. And we're all done. Now it's my mom's turn. A warm cloth to open up her pores. And here we go. The Aztec Bentonite Healing Clay, used as a mask, pulls out dirt and unclogs pores. The activated charcoal has a lot of great benefits as well. As a mask, it pulls dirt from the pores and leaves skin feeling soft and fresh.
Because you put a lot on your face.
I know. Also, I didn't mind after yours. So it's like pull out stuff out of your pores.
Okay, so we totally wasted most of this product.
Yeah, next time we only need like 1 spoonful
Of everything.
and some water.
Well, it's time to clean up.
We made sure to use paper towels so cleanup would be easy.
Yours is pretty dry, but I put way too much on my face.
I feel like I'm turning into stone.
Good one cracking up.
This is where my mom makes her first mistake. She tried to wipe it off with a wet rag first. We are supposed to wet our face first, get the mask soft, then wash it off.
After that, ooh, my face is super red.
She totally irritated her skin.
Just really soft though. Give me 2 seconds. So how did your face go?
It feels good.
Oh my god, mine doesn't really feel good though.
It feels really soft, especially on my cheeks.
Yeah, it does. And then we're done. Look at this.
Your face is so red.
I know my face is really red over here. But it feels super smooth though.
You have some red cheeks, rabbit,
And we heard that you're supposed to just pat it into your skin.
or else your pores will get clogged.
This is a close-up of my mom's red skin. I cannot believe she did that. Luckily, my mom's face cleared up within the next hour.
Bye, my magical unicorn brownies. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye.
Bloopers!
2, hurry up. Look how messy this stuff is.
I look like a man with a beard and a mustache, like Daddy. You were supposed to take off your makeup. Tongue right here, it looks like a booger.
Oh,
There's a part going inside your nose.
how crazy I look right now. I'm blushing. I hope the redness goes away. That would be messed up. And now, say what you gotta say.
Bye, guys. Thank you for watching.
Let's do it again.